And the irony is that intention is the only ingredient. Intention of an individual is the only thing that makes an act wrong or right. So if somebody takes care of someone, you cannot call that he is grooming. Yes, when it appears that it is crossing the zone which is not supposed to be crossed. For example, somebody patting on the back is not okay any which way. Why do you need appreciation in that manner? Right? So you have to identify that the fine line is being crossed. Now, there are, if you see celebrities, they have their ways of greeting others. Right? But can we greet somebody in our culture like that? The answer is no. Answer is no. So when you start deviating from that, then you are walking into a territory which may make you victimized. There is zone of acceptance. Once you extend that zone of acceptance, you are walking into a territory that may not be safe. As simple as that. I don't say that the way celebrities greet each other is sexual harassment. It is not, because it is consensual. It is mutual consent, and it is public to see. But at the same time, you must have seen an incident. I don't know whether you remember. This happened more than a decade back. A very renowned singer and an actress who has been known to be in a lot of controversies. On a birthday party, they were celebrating, and some incident happened. You want me to name the Mika is a singer? You don't know. Google it. Alright, when you go from here, you'll Google it. So they were friends, and it was a non-consensual kiss. It came on the television. It was a big hue and cry. I think FIR was also registered.